There's a day delay in this shipping because I really wanted to make this video for you and for everyone else. So when you receive your TechDecks, you know exactly how to easily get it out of the carton safely and quickly. So when your TechDeck arrives and you open the case, this is what you're going to find. That the actual neck assembly is tucked in here beside the neck support platforms. Your V-blocks are wrapped in bubble wrap and then tucked into the end here. And then the body straps are in this plastic bag. And that is essentially what you got. Neck assembly, you take the blocks off, slide them into place, and then slide the neck assembly onto the top platform. And your 3 straps are in that bag. One corner here where there's an actual seam. And this is going to be the easiest way to get the TechDeck out of the carton. Just run a razor knife along that seam, tear that corner open, and this will allow you to quickly and safely get your TechDeck out of the shipping cart. As soon as this production run is depleted, we will start into another production run. It may be a little later in the summer, which would put us probably into early fall before they're boxed and ready to ship. If you're interested in getting one from this production run, you're probably best to move sooner rather than later. Cheers.